Welcome back to one of the final episodes for the build of Project MURICA, my Indian Scout bobber. Today I've got the Scout up on the lift for hopefully the last time. We're going to put some new wheels and tires on. Should come as no surprise, since everything going on here is all American, but for tires, we went to the old school American-made Coker tires. For the front, we are doing the Firestone Champion Deluxe in a 4x19. I did decide to stay with Indian Scout wheels. I actually really like the look of these Scout wheels, the bobber wheels. So this is a Rogue front wheel, so they'll bolt right up. And then these Firestone Classics give it a really cool old school look. On the rear, we are going with the original bobber 16-inch wheel, and the tires again are the Firestone. They're the ANS, which is all non-skid, which is a replica of what tire they made back in the 40s, and this is a 5x16. USA. So let's go ahead and get these wheels off. And with the wheels off, we'll go ahead, get everything transferred over to the new set of wheels and tires and get those installed. Well, new wheels and tires are on. Coker Firestones definitely give it a bit more of an old school look. 19-inch front. And that is a taller sidewall than the stock tires. So fender won't fit even if I wanted it on there, but being kind of an old school chopper style, I want to leave it off anyway. These exhaust, still enjoying looking at those every time. And then we've got these ANS tread Firestones, the all non-slip. Everything is put together. The only thing left to do is suspension and license plate mount. Nala has joined us today. She's always here to lend a helping hand, aren't you? You're a good girl. And loving the look. Loving the look of this Scout. We'll get the last few things done. Get it outside. Go for a ride. Start enjoying it. Thank you guys for joining me today. Appreciate a like down below. If you haven't seen the rest of the build, check out the playlist for this Indian Scout Project MURICA. All parts made by American companies in the United States. And enjoy your day. Ride safe.